I call them caramel crunch, but they have no caramel. But they do have some crunch. So it's a cross between a shortbread, a sablé, and a chewier cookie. They're slice and bakes, but I bake them in muffin tins so that they're all the same size, and the butter and the sugar caramelize because of the size of the, right? So you get that caramel flavor kind of for free. You don't have to make caramel, it makes it itself in the muffin tin.